Hi, welcome back. In this lecture, we are gonna breaking WEP security with fake client. There is no computer associated or connected with internet on that access point. In the previous lecture, we learned how to breaking WEP security with active client. In this video, I'm gonna use two different attack methods. First one is called core chop attack, and another one is fragmentation attack. The chop attack can decrypt WEP data packet without knowing the key, and it worked on dynamic WEP also. However, this attack doesn't recover WEP key itself, as you see later in this video. It just reveals the plain text. So what Airplay is gonna do? It's just gonna try to guess rest of the missing data as first packet header are predictable. If you capture IP packet, Airplay checks some of the header is correct after guessing its missing part. The only other thing to do with this attack is it's gonna recover at least one data packet from the access point. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna walking through the attack. So first open up a terminal and type ifconfig. I'm gonna use this all-in-one interface for this attack. Now set this card into monitor mode. So I'm typing airmon-ng, then space, type start, space, then your interface name, then press enter. Mine is all-in-one. My card is now monitor mode. As you can see, my new interface name is Monzero. Now scan the network for wireless access point. airdom-ng, space, then type interface name, then press enter. Mine is Monzero. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna stop this with Ctrl+C. We found our target access point. Now I'm gonna write down some detail about my target in a text editor so that I can use that for later. I'm going to monitor this particular Wi-Fi access point. So type airdom-ng, then space, --bssid, then type the MAC address. I'm going to copy and paste. -c for channel, then type -w for write to a file. Then type the interface name, mine is Monzero, then press enter. Now it's monitoring this channel, and for this attack we don't have any client connected. So we're gonna have to generate our own data. Now we're gonna create our own packet that we can replay into the network. Then you have the direct client. For crack the password, we need roughly around 30 to 40,000 data. Now we are gonna associate our computer with access point. So type airplay-ng, then space 1 for the fake authentication. Then space 60 is for time delay, then space -a for access point MAC address. Then type the interface name, mine is Monzero, then press enter. Now we're gonna look for a specific packet, then we're gonna build the case gem. So run a command, type airplay-ng, space, then type -4 for chop attack, then type -b, then type the access point MAC address, then type -h for client MAC address, it will be my interface MAC address. And as you can see here, this is the client MAC address. I'm going to copy and paste. Then type the interface name Monzero. Then press enter. Now type Y for yes to use packet. So this is gonna go ahead and look for packet. And one thing is so easy to understand that short amount of packet is taking short time and a huge amount of packet take longer time. and I'm gonna pause the video until it's 100% done, and after that I will continue. Okay, so as you can see here, my access point was appearing in a drop packet shorter than 40 bytes. So from here, we're gonna go ahead and we can create our own packet that you're gonna play into the network to get the data to client. Now we're gonna type a command, packet force-ng, and if we hit enter, it shows up the models that we're gonna use in this command. See here, ERP for forcing ERP packet, UDP for forcing UDP packet, and ICMP, which is a ping packet, the null, and custom if you want to build a custom packet. Now I'm going to type a command for forcing ERP packet. So type packet force-ng space -0 is for forcing an ERP packet, space -a, then type the access point MAC address, then space -h for client MAC address, then space -k for destination IP address, type the broadcast IP address, space, and then type -i for source IP address, type broadcast IP address again, then space -y for specify the keystream file name. So copy and paste the file name, then type space -w for write packet to a pcap file, typing file name, then press enter. Now we're going to type a command airplay-ng -help for see full uses of airplay-ng, and then press enter. And now as you can see here, -2, which is for interactive packet replay. Now we're going to do replay the network. So type a command airplay-ng space -2 is for interactive packet replay, -r for the packet that you want to replay, space, then type the file name, then type the interface name, mine is Monzio, and then press enter. We're going to use this packet, so type y and then press enter. And as you can see here, we are injecting packet and it's climbing up very fast. Now we are going to crack WEP key, so type the command aircrack-ng space the file name of your capture file, then press enter. Now it's going to take the data that we are collecting and it's going to try to crack the key. I have created enough data packets so that the key has been cracked immediately. Now copy the key and paste it into a text file. And remove the hyphen from the key. Now use the key to connect to the targeted wireless network. And I'm going to use it right now. Okay, finally, see here, I'm connected now with my victim network. I'm using his network. So let's check my internet connectivity and pinging to google.com. Okay, I got the ping response. So I'm okay with my internet connection. So guys, now you know how to break WP security with fake client, and that's all for this lecture. So see you in the next one.